Hey, Mark here. I love to share to you guys my app, and I named it Pappy's List. Okay, an app where I can put text and list of tasks or tasks. Okay, and smile. An app where inspired by Odin, kudos for all the Odin team, and I'm proud to say I'm one of your students. Look at what we have here. Okay, Pappy's List can save the day planning what to say or to do. You can create steps 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or write symbols. No worries about injection. Safer than Notepad. I have this one here, a dynamic application where we can receive text. We can copy. We can copy words. Okay, millions of words or maybe millions of letters in these apps, and you can adjust the size. Dock them is like one of your application, for example here, and I just dock them. Okay, it's not connected to my apps, but it's dynamic application. Okay, and it has ability to change the size and manage the text inside to fit on a small space. For example, you have a meeting, for example, company meeting, and for example, exam. You have notes here. All right. For example, you have a blog, maybe, right? Right. So what happened here? Okay, what is the story behind this? Okay, the apps. I made the apps. It's just simple task. Okay, simple function adding task. Okay, grabbing information or text from the input, and of course we just grab the value, okay, and trim them. And of course, it's if the task input it's empty, it won't run the code. If the if the input okay has a text, it will run this code. It's a generated MOD, okay, manipulation on documents using our document create elements. Yeah, it's a JavaScript where JavaScript can create the, of course, HTML. Okay, can create HTML and more. Okay, elements, and of course these elements I put a class list so that I can design this on a CSS. My CSS is eternal, and I created this. Of course, I almost forgot. I created this project in Electron. Okay, this is an Electron project, and I have the a task created function, and of course a load task function, because every time, for example, I'm gonna delete this, all of the tasks is deleted. Okay, that's my problem before, but I found the solution, and some of the masters of programmer, their teacher, okay, we gathered information and of course collaborate this to our project. And how can I apply this to my project? This is what happened. I created a file like JSON file where I can put and save the list on a JSON file, and then every time the application start, for example, okay, I am going to call this one and start npm start, and here we have a log, okay, session telling us that the data loaded successfully, meaning he created the task. Okay, he created a new task in instance. Okay, every time I open, it close, deleted, and if I start, he create again. Okay, created from where? Not from input, but from a JSON file, because every time I created a task here, it will sync from the JSON. He created a file there. Okay, if I delete it, of course, sync deleted inside. That's why. Okay, and oops, right. That's why I like these apps and love to share to you guys. If you love to see the code because I'm sad. I tried to push this. Look at this. I have untracked. Okay, I have untracked and modified files, which I can push this in GitHub. I can't because it's too. The file is too big. Electron, the file is too big. Why and where? And in the dist, for example, in the dist, in electron modules, electron dist, there is an electron X here that weighed 178 MB of file, and the GitHub only allow us for 100 MB. So the X file already 179 MB, 178 MB. But if you delete the electron X, because I tried to delete it, all the system crash and you can't install again, and your project is first. You can't run your project again. I'm happy that I have backup for this. Okay, every time I do backups, backup. So here I didn't. I don't have backup for this because this one is for my demo, right? What else? I think I'm done. Okay, it's a dynamic page where I can resize or scale. You can make this one big, and you can change the font. Okay, soon, because I'm gonna add a font feature and theme feature where you can edit the design or the colors. Okay, so this, I love it. Okay, I love it too much. Okay, nice. And again, this is Mark. Bye.